Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an updated method on how to create those viral baby dancing videos, especially now that Kling AI is no longer free. With this new method, you'll be able to generate 30 seconds video completely for free with no watermark. So if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing because I share practical no-code tools and AI tutorials that actually work. Now let's get started. So to create this type of baby dancing video, you'll need two things: an AI avatar and the dancing video you want your avatar to mimic. So first of all, I'll head over to ChatGPT and I'll paste in my prompt. So you just wait for your image to generate. I'll be dropping this prompt in the video description. So we have successfully generated our avatar. So I'll just download this avatar. So the next thing is to get a dancing video you want this avatar to mimic. So for that, I'll head over to my TikTok. So you come to TikTok, then you search for dancing video. So as you can see, we have a lot of results. So I'll be going with this particular one. So let me click on it. So I think this one is perfect for me. So I'll just right click, then I'll click on download video. So after downloading the dancing video you like, so you go to your Chrome browser, then you search for AI. So you click on this first link like so. So you click on this start now and sign up for a free account. So after successfully signing up with your email account, it takes you to this dashboard. So you click on create new file like so. So it takes you to this blank canvas. So you right click on anywhere, then you click on this import. So what you want to do is you want to upload your AI avatar. So here it is. So I'll click on open like so. So after uploading your AI avatar, the next thing is you want to upload your dancing video. So I'll right click again, then I'll click on this import. So I'll choose the video. So our video has been uploaded. Let me drag it this way. So I'll right click again. So as you can see, we have different models here. So you want to come to these video models like so. Then you click on generate from video. So you want to select Kling motion control, as you can see. You want to connect your AI avatar to this while your dancing video to this. To connect this, let me drag this up. You connect your AI avatar to this image like so, this green line. So you drag it to where it says image, so as you can see, while you connect your dancing video to this video here. So one more time, you connect your AI avatar to this image like so, this green line, while you connect your video to this one. So after connecting both of them like this, so you click on this Kling motion control. So you want to set the model from this pro to standard. Then you set your character orientation from image to video like so. Okay. So after setting this, you click on run selected like so. So you just wait for it to finish generating. So as you can see, I have successfully generated it. So let me play it so you see.
My chest, your back asset, you know they play my chumbares. This see my jolly, but no bata big bongo, baby bongaso.
So that's how easy it is to generate this type of video, and you can download it by clicking on this download. So it comes without a watermark. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.